he's going to cut open his head, and we're going to stuff some Tannerite or Sonic Boom?
It's Tannerite.
Tannerite.
Sonic Boom brand.
Sonic Boom band. And we're going to stuff it in his head and shoot it.
Let's do the surgery. Alright.
Scalpel.
There's a 22 pellet I found in his head.
Ooh, wow.
See that? Looks like he lost his brains.
Looks like you lost your brains.
He's lost his mind.
So how many pounds is that?
1 pound.
Alright, so it's 1 pound of Tannerite that we're going to shoot. And hopefully it'll penetrate, the AR will penetrate.
Right in the forehead.
Alright.
Say bye-bye.
So we haven't named him yet.
Hey, Ron.
Okay. Alright, so Gaby's going to be shooting Aaron in the head. He has an AR-15. Gaby, give everybody a quick overview of the gun.
It's an AR-15, which is an Armalite rifle designed to hold high-capacity magazines.
And to shoot
lots of bullets.
Yes. Alright, so that's exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and shoot Aaron. Oh! Holy cow! Holy moly!
right now.
Oh, I actually feel sorry for him. Where did he go? Dude.
I'd say he's not around anymore.
Did he literally just disintegrate?
Yep, pretty much.
That was awesome. That was like a huge flash and then he was just gone. Like he literally just disappeared.
My camera got knocked backwards by that.
That was pretty awesome.
Pretty good.
Wow, that was epic. Like I literally can't find any pieces of him anywhere.
Frying pan.
Frying pan, let's go.
Empty.
Alright, so now he's going to be shooting some 22 triple rounds. Whoa. That was pretty cool. Yeah, that's probably over 100 yards.
That's 100 yards from here to there.
Yeah, and they're rated for 100 plus yards. Alright, so now, do you have any Sonic Boom?
Yeah, we can make some more up.
Okay. Now that we've shot the mannequin head, we are going to shoot some tracer rounds. Now, we have some green and red ones, and we are actually going to shoot Sonic Boom. Now, if you all don't know what Sonic Boom is, I'll have my brother explain it to you here in a second. Explain to me what Sonic Boom is. How does it differ from Tannerite?
Tannerite was the original brand of exploding targets. Sonic Boom is just another brand of it. It's the same concept, it's the same chemical, it's just a different brand of explosive. Now the rimfire stuff is different because it's a powder, the other stuff is pellets.
But as I understand it, Sonic Boom you can shoot with 22?
Yes, because it combusts at a lower temperature, so because if it's a fine powder, it's not a pellet, it doesn't have to be as high a temperature to ignite, so you're able to shoot it with a rimfire, which is lower velocity, so it'll explode.
Okay, we're going to be using a Ruger 1022 shooting Sonic Boom with 22 tracers, red or green. Do you need to shake it?
Yeah, it's mixed together.
Alright, he has to mix it together for it to work.
Right, the reason they sell it in two different compounds together is because it's safe that way to transport and carry and use. You could stomp it, burn it, do whatever and shoot it, it would not explode, so you have to mix it's like a fertilizer pellet, I'm not sure what chemical it actually is or compound, but then you mix it with aluminum oxide, which when it combusts, when the high-powered bullet hits it and it combusts, it flashbangs basically. It burns extremely hot really fast, and when it does that, it makes all those pellets explode at an extremely hot temperature.
Actually, we could try stomping and burning it. It might explode.
Thank you.
Not very good at dancing.
Right.
How did you ever get a wife? He's basically just putting them on the log. It's kind of Hoosier-fied, but, I mean...
This is far enough, right?
Maybe, possibly.
Okay, well...
Yep, Hoosier-fied.
I'm gonna stick this like...
What? Who's Hoosier-fied?
All of us? Nope, Gaby's not Hoosier-fied, just us.
Yep, that's right.
Just set them up. We just want to shoot them. They don't need to look pretty.
Come on. This is an art.
It's a rainy.
Redneck art.
As long as it works, it's good. We are so Hoosier-fied.
Where'd I hit?
You didn't hit the target.
Here, let me get it.
Low. Low.
Hit low. You're shooting low. Hit low.
Woo! Yeah!
Yeah, blinded me.
I'm blind too, I can't even see.
Yeah!
Yeah.
I'm blind. I'm blind for sure now.
Alright.
I can't see.
I can't see anything, I'm blind.
That is extremely bright. Man, those tracers are shooting sparks everywhere. I don't know how
I can't
they
wait
are
to see him in
for-
slow motion though. Woo! Yeah! Oh, that one lit up after it hit. It was like that one squirrel I shot. Too bad it doesn't like settle, because then we could really feel like we're in a battlefield.
Let's get some Tannerite out and make it look like a battlefield.
This is Tannerite, right?
What?
Tannerite. Alright, so it's not sonic boom, so we're going to have to shoot this with a high-powered rifle. For that close, I'm going to put your head that close. It's literally just sitting in the trees.
It's so humid out, all the smoke's staying down.
Yeah. I was going to say you could put it in the pan. You could put it in the pan. We would just have to hide behind some trees. Are you going to put one under the pan?
I don't know, is that dangerous? We're going to shoot it from the table though.
Yeah, that'll.
Okay, yeah, no, it's not going to reach that far, and if it does, well... Alright, guys, so we got the GoPro set up. We got the Tannerite set up. So there's that bottle right there, and then the pan's right there. We're going to shoot them both with Tannerite. Well, actually, we're going to shoot with an AR, but there's Tannerite under that stuff. Yeah. And then behind me, right here, is the Tannerite right there, Tannerite right there. Let's do this!
Do this, do this, do this.
Oh, I knocked it down.
And the.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
That's it.
Alright.
And we'll
What do you think about
supply
that?
rounds.
Okay, that just said it all right there. Let's go down and take a look at that. Nothing? Nothing? Oh, that's so nice. Whoa!
Put a little crater in the ground, huh?
Yeah, good thing you didn't hit my GoPro. That'd been good. Here, set it up, and then,
The frying pan's gonna explode that way.
that's fine.
What?
That's fine. Alright, let's set the GoPro up. Alright, let's get back up there and shoot it. And hit it this time, actually.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Wow.
I bet that frying pan's dead. Hold on.
I heard it land.
Clear.
That was more impressive than the Tannerite. Oh, there goes my shooting platform.
Rebuild the shooting range.
Yeah. My GoPro didn't get hurt. Oh,
Dude, I thought I heard
oh wow.
that like destroyed it. Where's the frying pan?
GoPro off. Alright, quick update. We did not find the frying pan. It is somewhere in the woods. We'll try to find that later, but for now... What's that supposed to be? Yeah, you can see that we had a 2x6 up here for the platform to set stuff on, and well, I don't know why I set that beer can up.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so now. And remember, always be friendly to your neighborhood redneck, because we do this, and someday it may save your life.